what is your role in our extension office?
So I am, my appointment is 70% extension and 30% research. So part of that is to integrate the extension and research components. So I really, in my extension role, I work with companies a lot that want to process a product to make it shelf stable. So a lot of those products are what we call acidified products, where they're combining things that are naturally have acids in them and then other foods that don't have acids in them. So for example, if you have barbecue sauce, people are taking things like vinegars and mixing them in with peppers and onions and tomatoes and things like that. So we help them design their process. One of my roles here is as the process authority. So I will help them with product testing and evaluation to see what factors in those foods are going to help make them shelf stable, and then what process can we apply to actually ensure the safety and the shelf stability of that food. So that's probably the bulk of what I do in extension. As I mentioned, I have a research program as well, so that extension really informs what I do with research. So one of my graduate students is going to be doing a project on determining how microbes are inactivated when you don't heat a product. So if you have something that has enough acids in it and those acids can kill off bacteria, how does that actually translate to, what parameters do we need to set on that product to ensure its safety? So that's a bit of how that works out. And then in terms of other extension activities I do quite a few workshops. So we have workshops that help people get in compliance with regulations as they're processing their food. And the regulations are important to, make sure you're complying with them, because if you do not comply with the regulations, then you could get shut down. So it's important for people to know about that.